India is likely to oppose a proposed $1.3 billion loan to Pakistan at the upcoming International Monetary Fund board meeting on May 9th, in response to the recent Pahalgam terror attack on April 22nd. The move is expected to be framed around concerns about Pakistan's alleged support for terrorism. At this meeting, the IMF will evaluate not only the new climate resilience loan, but also Pakistan's compliance with policy commitments linked to a previously approved $7 billion bailout package. According to a report by the Economic Times, sources indicate that India intends to highlight Pakistan's continued support for terrorism during the board discussions. While India had abstained from voting during a previous session on the bailout package, this time New Delhi is expected to actively vote against the new funding, citing concerns that Pakistan misuses international financial aid. If the review is cleared and the loan approved, it would become critical for Pakistan as the country faces mounting fiscal pressures and prepares to present its national budget in June.